Good day everyone. Today we'll be presenting a zoo inventory tracking system. Using this system, user can add, view, search, and organize information about animals into the zoo. The program is built using basic Java concepts such as array, loops, conditional statement, and buffer reader for input handling. Now let us go through the different features which are presented in the main menu.
The first option allows the user to add a new animal record. When this option is selected, the system will ask for the following details: the name of the animal, the species classification, which the user selects from a list, mammal, bird, reptile, or amphibian, the age of the animal, and the enclosure number, which must be between 0 and 4. If the zoo already has 50 animals, the program will immediately display a message, "Zoo capacity reached. Cannot add more animals." To ensure that the user enters valid data, error handling is applied. For species selection, age, and enclosure, a try-catch block is used. If the user enters invalid data like letters instead of numbers, the system will catch the number format exception and display invalid input, animal not added. Additionally, if the enclosure number is outside the range of 0 to 4, the program will reject it and remind the user of the correct range. Once all inputs are valid, the system stores the data in arrays and confirms animal added successfully.
This option displays all animals currently registered in the system. If there are no animals yet, the program will show no animals registered yet. Otherwise, it loops through the array and lists each animal with its full details: name, species, age, enclosure number. These features provide zookeepers with a clear overview of all animals being managed.
These features allows the user to search for an animal by its name. When selected, the program prompts the user to type in a name. The system then scans through the names array using a loop. If a match is found, it displays the full details of that animal. If no match is found, it displays animal not found. This search is case insensitive, meaning that whether the user types a lowercase or a uppercase lion, the program will still recognize the match. These features is extremely helpful for quickly retrieving information about a specific animal. This option counts how many animals belong to a specific species. When chosen, the program displays a menu where the user selects a species. A try-catch block is used here to prevent invalid inputs. For example, if the user types a letter instead of a number, the system will display invalid species choice. Once a valid species is selected, the program loops through the species array and counts all the animals belonging to that classification. Finally, it displays the total count, such as there are 5 animals classified as mammals. If no animals match the chosen species, the count will simply display 0.
This feature allows the user to view animals based on their enclosure number. When selected, the program prompts the user to enter enclosure number between 0 and 4. Again, a try-catch block ensures that only numbers are accepted. If the input is outside the valid range, the system displays invalid enclosure number. If the input is valid, the program loops through the record and lists all animals and that enclosure showing name, species, and age. If no animal are found in the specified enclosure, the system will display no animal found in this enclosure.
Across the entire program, error handling plays a key role. Every time the user is expected to enter a number, such as choosing a menu option, entering age, or selecting a species, the input is processed inside the try-catch block. If the user accidentally enters an invalid data like letters or special characters, the system immediately catches the error and displays a clear message without flashing. For example, invalid input, please enter a number between 1 and 6. This makes the program user-friendly and robust, ensuring smooth operation even with mistakes. To conclude, our zoo inventory tracking system demonstrates the power of basic Java programming by using array, loops, conditionals, and input validation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of our program.